Hello, I'm about to unbox my Yves Saint Laurent Rouge Pure Couture Lipstick Vox Box from Influenster. Influenster is an awesome website that you can log in, sign up for free, log in and do some surveys, and you get to try products for free if you fall into the right categories. This box happens to be a lipstick box. You open it, it comes with a sheet explaining how to log in. It talks about the lipstick that you're trying by Yves Saint Laurent. And I got two beautiful gold packages from Yves Saint Laurent that are full-size lipsticks. I will open them right now. They are Rouge Pure Couture. That's what they're called. Sorry, I'm having a hard time getting the box open. They have a beautiful gold container. This one color is called 19. And it's also called fuchsia. It's a beautiful color, fuchsia. I don't know if you can see it. Make sure you can. Sorry, it's not focusing all that well. There we go. You also get number 9, which is Rose Stiletto. Let me open that one up. Also, beautiful gold container. And Rose Stiletto looks like it's kind of a pretty mauve color. Both of these colors I would think will be pretty universal and could be used on most skin types. I've yet to try it and I cannot wait, thanks to Influenster and Yves Saint Laurent for letting me try these two items for free for an honest review and opinion on them. Thank you.